I'm meteorologist Anthony J. here with extreme weather alerts. Take a look at the tropical picture. Here's the Western Hemisphere. The Eastern Pacific is quieting down. Hillary has moved out, and we'll be seeing improving conditions. But in the Atlantic, we're seeing things heating up as this is the peak of the hurricane season. We'll have about 2 tropical storms to watch, it looks like, across the western part of the area in the tropics, including Franklin and Tropical Depression 9 to become Harold. Meanwhile, in the eastern part of the Atlantic, no real threats out there. Some systems, GERD is dissipating, but the areas we're watching that are going to be close to the U.S., Franklin here in the Caribbean, and forming tropical storm Harold over the western Gulf of Mexico. And here's a look at a satellite of that storm. It's not far away. It's headed right in the direction of southern Texas and will be there for sure. You'll know it during early Tuesday morning. And as we take a look at a zoomed-in satellite, lots of moisture with this developing tropical storm. It's all going to move right into southern Texas, and it's going to move fairly quickly. That's the good news. You see the official forecast from the Hurricane Center has it making landfall near, well south of Corpus down towards the Port Mansfield area during Tuesday morning. Rainfall amounts 3 to 5 inches generally, not excessive because the storm will be moving quickly. So this will all be beneficial rain, but just be careful out there. And the wind gusts, dangerous conditions during the morning, 50 to 70 mile an hour wind gusts along the coast from Corpus down to the south. So you don't want to be out driving in this, even though it'll be in and out fairly quickly. We have gusts near 70 miles an hour. Isolated tornadoes possible. The worst of it that will end by the afternoon. And again, up to 5 inches of rain a possibility. Here's a look at Tropical Storm Franklin right there in the east central Caribbean. And it's going to, right now, not moving very much, but it is threatening Hispaniola. And this is going to slowly intensify. You can see on the close-up some convection developing around the center again. There is some shear in the area, so it's not expected to develop rapidly. But here's the forecast from the Hurricane Center. Take it eventually north over Hispaniola by Wednesday and then off to sea on Thursday. Longer range, all the models have this going out to sea away from the U.S. We'll have to see it might get close to Canada. But here's a rainfall totals. Could see 10, maybe 12 inches of rain in parts of Hispaniola from Franklin this week. More tropical updates coming up.